Make a great choice today with the 2017 Impala. The Impala has been one of America's favorites for over 50 years. Enough said. And is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated seats, traction control, navigation system, power passenger seat, Bose sound system, dual airbags, Bluetooth, air conditioning, power steering, backup camera. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.